Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is day 6 of the Advent calendars. I do have 2. I have the Space NK, which we're going to open up first this time. So let me find day 6 is down here. It's hard to show you y'all, but it's down here by day 5 from yesterday. This one says Christmas Kisses, and let's see what's in there. This is a big box, but I just broke it too. Look at. There's something in there. It's very tiny compared to this big box. These boxes are just like thin cardboard for this. And then there's a couple of shelves. The shelves are a little bit harder. So, but let's see what this is. Now the Space NK sent a book, so I can read about it in the book. This is Hourglass, and this is a lippy. Let me try. Wait, I just had the name there. There we go. Well, it's so hard to see with the glare. Hourglass. It's black on gold. And let's see. Oh, I think I just damaged it. Oh, I like it. I did. Of course I damaged it. When I popped it out of there, I pushed it back in. But anyway, I love it. So it'll be. I'll wear it anyway. I have lipstick on right now, but this is beautiful. This is a perfect shade for me. This says. Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick in At Night. Line and fill lips like a pro thanks to the super slim applicator that can be refilled with a wide range of gorgeous colors. Now, I have seen the refillable. I think Fab Fit Fun had the refillables, if y'all remember, and I didn't get it. And now I'm wishing that I did because now I have this, but I love that color. Oh wow, the coverage is really nice. It's a beautiful dark mauve, really pretty. So I'm going to turn it back down and put the cap on. It's really pretty. It snaps closed. Isn't that a pretty? It's pretty. It's pretty. Okay, day 6 of Ipsy. Ipsy I received from Betty Vick, a wonderful subscriber, and this is number 6. This cardboard is heavier. You know, I don't remember what's in here. So, okay, let's see. Number 6 is something from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I can tell you that. It's the stick highlighter. Okay, so this says Iced Out is the name. And Anastasia Beverly Hills is just beautiful. The packaging is stunning. Here it is. It does say Anastasia Beverly Hills in black. There's the emblem there. And then Iced Out. And let's see what that looks like. I don't think I swatched it before, but I'm going to swatch it now. I'm trying. Okay, it's such a perfect shine that I thought it might have a cap on it, but it does not. So let's see that. So there, can you see that? It's hard to see, but now I'll move my hand a little bit around. So 2 beautiful products. I'm excited about this. Very pretty. So that's my Advent calendars for today, y'all. I hope that you're enjoying this series. I love it. I love opening the calendars. This was the tray from Ipsy. I don't think I showed you. It's a lot of fun to me. And even though I've opened the one calendar already before, but it's a lot of fun. I hope you're all enjoying it. And, stay tuned for the Christmas treasure hunt that's going on this month on my channel. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.